Welcome to Colonel's Academy and Training Center YouTube channel. Government of India, Ministry of Railways, Railway Recruitment Boards has issued a notification for recruitment of 32,438 vacancies, Group D Level 1 employees. We are uploading this video to assist you to apply for the various posts and to explain about the various level of examination. The notification number 8/2024, Government of India, Ministry of Railways, Railway Recruitment Board. Recruitment for the various posts of level 1 of 7th CPC pay matrix. Centralized Employment Notice CN number 8/2024. Date of publication in RRB 22 January 2025. Starting date of online registration 23 January 2025. Last date of online registration is on 22nd February 2025. One can apply up to 22nd February 2025. Date of modification is allowed from 25 February 25 to 6 March 2025. Website www.rrbapply.gov.in. Now, total 32,436 vacancies for various posts. There are 14 posts consisting for various trade. Details are given here in the slide. All the 14 posts, we can go through it and apply according to your qualification. Educational qualification 10th pass or ITI or equivalent or National Apprenticeship Certificate NAC granted by NCVT. Pay level of and vacancies 14 different posts are there. Each post number of vacancies is given against each. Total 32,438 vacancies. Pay level 1 18,000. Age limit 18 to 36 is the age limit. For unreserved category, cutoff date is 2nd January 1989. For OBC, 2nd January 1986. SC and ST, 2nd January 1984. Minimum age is 18. Cutoff date is 1/1/2007. Age realization has given for SC and ST 5 years, OBC 3 years. Ex-serviceman 3 to 8 years. Person with benchmark disability 10 to 15 years. These are the age realization. Examination pattern. Level in 7th CPC 1. Stage 1 computer based examination. Stage 2 physical efficiency test. And third stage document verification. And the fourth stage medical test. Whosoever is clearing the computer based examination, they will call for the second stage and third and finally the fourth stage. Now, examination pattern. Total number of questions 100. Total duration of examination 90 minutes. General science 25 questions. Mathematics 25 questions. General intelligence and reasoning 30 questions. General awareness and current affairs 20 questions. Total 100 question, 1 mark each, total mark 100. Each question will get 1.5 minute, total duration is 90 minutes. Then physical efficiency test for male candidate and female candidates are given below. You can go through it and you can note down somewhere or you can register it in your memory. Examination fees for general and OBC candidate 500 rupees. For SC, ST, minority, female, ESM, transgender and EBC candidate 250 rupees. Successful candidate will get, refund 400 after deducting the bank charges. Now, Colonel's Academy and Training Center, Costown, Bangalore, and Madaman in Kerala, both places we are conducting preparatory training for the post. You can approach us in the given number or the mail ID or the website. You can apply. You can approach us for the assistance and submission of application.